What's up, guys? I got a request from Michael Hickson. He asked me to do a side-by-side comparison. This is the only two pieces in the line that have been released so far. I know you asked for me to put all the pieces together, but this is it so far. Ray's next, but he hasn't been released yet. Now that I'm looking at these, I do have the life-size Slimer, the 1:1 scale from Hollywood Collectibles Group. I only ordered this quarter scale version to go with the rest of the line. But now that I'm looking at these two together, I think this might be like a Slimer might actually be like a third scale. They really fucked up on the size. You can see the table is up to, it's past his elbows. You can see how big the fucking plates are. They're the full size of his chest. So yeah, if I would have known the size difference, I probably wouldn't even have ordered this. Or I'll just have to display them separately now. Trying to get some angles here as I'm recording. Yeah, that's way too big. I think it's too big anyway. Maybe if they could have dropped those poles down on the bottom of the wheels, might have looked a little better, but I mean, just looking at Slimer, I think he's way too big to be quarter scale. Alright, that should be it. Thanks, guys.